Hello and welcome to Economics Unit 1, pages 7 through 8. Trade-offs. Trade-offs are exchanging one thing for another. Simple as that. That's a trade-off. You know what the word trade is. You know what trade-offs are. Now in economics, when we talk about trade-offs, we're talking about what are you giving to get something. And sometimes it's what are you giving up? What are you losing out on? In economics, a word we're going to use a lot is the word cost, which you're familiar with, which is defined as an opportunity you've given up. It's not just money. It's not just things you give up, though it could be. Those can be a cost, but it's not the only thing. It could be time. It could be the inability to do something else. It could be pretty much anything you can think of that you could possibly give up or not do. That can be a cost in economics. This triangle here on the board, you got the good, the fast, and the cheap. And a lot of times when you're trying to make something, you have limited resources, right? So you may have to make a decision. Do I want to make it good quality and cheap, but not fast? Because if I'm going to make it really good and make it really inexpensive, I'm going to have to put a lot of time into planning it out. Or do I want to make it good and fast, but it's going to be expensive? That's the cost of having to make something really fast, to demand, good quality, is that it won't be cheap. Or do I want it fast and cheap, like McDonald's? It's not that great. There's much better food out there. But if you want it fast and you want it cheap, there's only a few other choices besides that, like maybe going to AM, PM or something. That's fast and cheap, but you have to give up something. It's not always possible to make something that's good, fast, and cheap. It does happen, but oftentimes you have to give something up. And this is just one set of examples. There are other examples. So in economics, cost is an opportunity you've given up, also known as opportunity cost, which is the value of the next best alternative you had to give up. So whatever you give up, however valuable that thing is that you gave up, that is your opportunity cost. We're going to be using this a lot in class in more than one unit. Things like production possibility curves are one of many things that are used to show opportunity costs. Now, to explain how to read this thing, let's say you are trying to make a decision as a leader of your country. What are you going to make? Butter or guns? Butter represents food. Guns represents defense. Now, you can't do all guns. Okay, if you do all guns, nobody eats, we all die. But if we put all our resources into making food, butter, we have no guns to defend ourselves. We need both. How do we figure out how to use our resources? Remember those questions that economics is trying to solve. Do we not need a whole lot of guns? We just need a few guns so we can make a lot of butter? Or do we need to scale back on the butter? Maybe we're in a big time of war, so we need to maybe sacrifice food a little bit and have just enough to survive so that we can make enough guns, because we can't go 200 units of guns and 1,000 units of butter. We can't have it all. Okay, we don't have we have unlimited wants, we have limited resources. So a production possibilities curve shows these kind of opportunity costs. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you in class.